Howdy everyone, it's me Grace, and welcome back. The past couple weeks have been especially difficult for us. My precious kitty, Ghost, who you may be familiar with from my past videos, has recently passed away from cancer. Her diagnosis was extremely aggressive and shocking and sudden. And despite how tragic this is, I am extremely grateful for all the veterinary staff who helped Ghost be more comfortable and made sure she could pass away peacefully at home with us without feeling any pain. My fiance and I are grieving, and we both decided we wanted a piece of her with us forever. We decided to get tattoos of her in her memory as a reminder that she will always be with us wherever we go. For Adam's tattoo, he wanted one of her pink little paws on his wrist. To create this design, I pulled up one of Ghost's paw impressions from before she passed. I matched the color of her beans and traced over it in Photoshop. Adam picked his favorite set of beans and had them done by a local tattoo artist. I decided I wanted to make an illustration of Ghost that captured her personality. I doodled this picture of her that I already had from a while ago, and I decided to make the line art in this pumpkin pie orange color so it would match the rest of my tattoos. In Photoshop, I'm cleaning up the line work some more. I'm not much of a drawer, so I apologize if my line work seems really wonky, but I'm doing my best. I really liked this expression on Ghost's face here. She always looked so pleased with herself and so happy, and it just looked like she was always smiling. Her eyes would get all cute and squinty when you'd give her scritches, and she really is the cutest, and I tried really hard to capture that. After doing some line work, I wanted to see how the design would look if I added a banner. I have seen a lot of traditional tattoo designs with this banner, and I wanted to give it a try myself to see if it would work. In the banner, I wrote the words, "always smiling," because that's how I remember her. We would also call her our little fairy because she's so tiny and feminine and snow white. She would look like a little wisp when she ran around. She was always so youthful and mischievous, and my fiance and I would joke that she was actually like 20,000 years old and she would probably outlive us. And even though she's passed on, I know she's still our everlasting little fairy, so I decided to add some fairy wings for good measure. She used to love to chase around our other kitties when she played, so I can totally imagine her now with these little fairy wings, flying around in heaven, chasing kitties and getting into mischief in the afterlife. After some contemplation, I decided not to include the banner. In my opinion, I thought it would take the focus away from Ghost, and if I ever change my mind about the banner in the future, I can always get it done at a later time. I sent my design to a local tattoo artist to make sure that everything seemed okay and that it was actually possible to do. After he said it looked good, I decided I wanted to get it on my right ankle, and I set up a time to get it done. This tattoo artist matched the color perfectly, and I really love how it turned out. Right now it's still healing, but it's healing really nicely, and I'm so happy my little fairy will always be with me. I also wanted to add, if you like this design, and you either wanted to get it as a tattoo for yourself or you wanted to use it as inspiration for a tattoo or a personal project of yours, you're more than welcome to screen cap part of this video. You're welcome to use it for yourself. It would be a huge honor if Ghost's design kind of lived on forever in other people's work, but that's totally up to you. I just thought I would throw that out there. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and until next time, bye everyone.